Croeso, rwan. Dros yr wythnosau nesaf, mi fydd Ioan a Fina yn edrych yn ôl ar wersi Cariad at Iaith y Llynedd.
Did you see Cariad at Iaith last year when Nia and I taught Welsh to 8 celebrities? If not, don't worry about it because you can relive that experience with Nia and myself over the next few weeks.
Yeah, joio. Helo, rwan ta, ym mis Mai y llynedd, last May, pan o'n i yn feichiog iawn, just explaining what the very large bump was, roedd Ioan a Fina yn fforest ger Cilgeran yn dysgu Cymraeg i 8 o celebs. We were teaching 8 celebrities Welsh yn doeddan, ac oedden nhw'n griw hyfryd, doeddan Ioan.
Oedden nhw'n griw bendigedig. Pawb yn ffrindiau, llawer o hwyl a chwerthin, lots of laughter.
Oedd yn lot o hwyl. Felly, dyma'r adeg pan gyrhaeddodd y celebs yn y gwersyll. This is when they all arrived a chyfarfod Gareth Roberts y cyflwynydd. Dyma nhw.
Wedi ffindo'i ffordd yma i Orllewin Cymru, mater hawdd yw ffindo'r cromenni.
Shwmai, Gareth?
Hello.
Hello, that's all I know in Welsh.
Croeso. Croeso.
Lisa, Gareth a Bob yn gynta.
Gareth.
Shwmai, Bet.
Nice to weld ti. Good to see you. Robert.
Good to see you.
Da iawn, diolch.
Ac yna Alex, Lucy a Wyn. Ac o'i gymharu â ti fas, Wyn, ydy hi'n dwym?
This isn't hot at all. It's boiling in here. Fire. Not sure we're going to need that today.
Y seithfed i gyrraedd ei chromen yw'r actores Dai Botcher.
I think it's fantastic.
Think you'll enjoy yourself?
Yes, yes I do.
I'm going to be quite happy here. Just don't get me involved in any Welsh lessons or activities. I'll just stay here for the week. It's going to be brilliant.
Oes rhywun wedi dweutho fe eto?
What have you got there?
It's a ukulele,
Right.
and we're learning it.
Right.
Oh, mate, I'm not waking up to the noise of you playing the ukulele every morning.
Yes, you are.
Wow. Nice.
Look at this. It's going to be like living in a giant golf ball for a week.
That's glorious. Absolutely fantastic.
Mae pawb fel nhw'n hapus gyda'i llety.
It's nice.
Yeah, that's comfy.
OK.
That's really comfortable.
OK, na ddigon am y cynffis. Diolch yn fawr.
Croeso i tŷ bach.
Tŷ bach.
Shawrio. Oh, look at
okay.
this.
Hey. Yes.
Pretty posh for a campsite.
Yeah, they are posh toilets, aren't they?
Pob look yr wythnos hon, Joia.
Pob look i'r... Hon... Said badoo.
Look at that. Welsh wheels, proper.
I hope Wyn's not going to be peeking over the top of you. Singing Go Compare.
Hooray! Edrych ymlaen, yeah. I understand that.
Mythnos, I think. Hwn, whatever, Gareth, croeso I Cariad at Iaith. Hopefully I'll be able to read that and understand what it means at the end of the week.
What are all these dead animals doing in here then?
Oh, wow. What's yellow? Melon? Melon day?
It's not roughing it, is it?
No, it's not at all.
It's not roughing it.
It's better than my flat.
Should I feel bad?
No! Croesio, Cariad at Iaith. Oh, lovely. It's very nice. It's quite moving, actually.
You were supposed to wait for me.
I know, I couldn't help it.
You couldn't
I
resist
couldn't
the
help it.
temptation
No.
to get into the sauna.
Oh, it's
my
brilliant.
boeth yma, di?
Mae hi'n grasboeth.
Mae hi'n grasboeth ti'n iawn.
Learning Welsh is the reason we're all here, but there'll be other challenges as well. So for me, that's really exciting because it means that everybody will kind of knit together as well a lot better.
Oh, look at that. Da iawn.
Porfor.
It is Christmas. Crisps.
Dyna chi ddarlun o Nadolig llwm, ynddo fe?
Detox. Do I drink that? I'll be handy, I think, later on in the week.
What's for you?
Golygfa.
Golygfa.
Golygfa hyfryd. A'r ffens drydan, electric fence.
Yeah. Well, I don't want to sneak out for a wee in the night and wee on that. That would be a disaster, wouldn't it?
You know about it.
Can you imagine? It'd be like zzz.
A nice view to wake up to every morning. And hopefully not the sound of my neighbour playing the ukulele. Maybe just the sound of the birds in the trees.
Definitely pleasantly surprised, are you?
I'm loving it.
Good.
It's lunchtime.
I think it is.
Steak and chips?
Oh, lovely. Let's go down the pub.
A phawb wedi ffindio'u trad a'i pen ola, mae braf gallu chwerthin yng ngwyneb gofid yn diwedd.
Nice.
Wel, dyn ni wedi cyfarfod 7 allan o'r 8. We've already met 7 out of the 8, ond oedd Lucy Owen dal heb gyrraedd rwan ta. Sesiwn gynta yr wythnos, the first session of the week, ac oedd rhaid sefydlu beth oedd y dull dysgu. We had to establish what the teaching method was. Felly, oedden ni'n defnyddio dadawgrymeg. We used a teaching method called D-Suggestopedia. Over to Ioan. Beth ydy dadawgrymeg, Ioan?
Well,
How long have we got?
Yeah, by downset. Well, dadawgrymeg, mae'n ddull seicolegol. Ac mae o'n wahanol, very different to traditional teaching. Yn syml, beth ydy o? Os ydych chi'n cymryd pysgodyn, take a fish, roi tank bach, yeah? Bydd y pysgodyn yn tyfu, it'll fit to grow its environment. Yeah? Os ydych chi'n roi tank mawr, bydd y pysgodyn yn tyfu, ffitio hynny. Gyda dadawgrymeg, we build up expectations and give up expectations, disgwyliadau, that students will be able to learn a huge amount of language if we give them a huge amount of language. And mae'n bwysig iawn paratoi to prepare students to know that they're going to be washed in a huge amount of language. Llawer iawn o iaith. Ddim tipyn bach o iaith, ond llawer mawr. Felly, mewn gwirionedd, Cariad y Iaith was a big fish tank.
And no fish were hurt in the process.
No.
So, rwan ta, un rhan bwysig o'r broses, an important part of the process, ydy bod pawb yn cymryd persona newydd. Everybody chooses a new persona, if you like. Enw newydd, swydd newydd, a new name and job. Felly, pam mae hyn yn digwydd? Why?
Wel, mae o fel Clark Kent a Superman. Yeah, mae o fel alter ego. Ac pan mae pobl yn mynd I mewn I sefyllfa, when you go into a situation, fel arfer, chi'n cario baggage. Os ydych chi'n teimlo fel, well, when I was at school, my teacher said I was no good at languages, mae hynny'n baggage. So, mewn ffordd, mae cael persona newydd fel joke, efo enwau gwirion, these totally ludicrous names, fel Dwynwen Clwyd o Bantamwyn a Thrawes Hwylio. Mae o'n chwarae, it's play acting, ond yn seicolegol, it liberates people up, gets rid of the baggage. Dyna di'r peth pwysig. So maen nhw'n mynd I mewn yn teimlo, they're liberated immediately into thinking, dwi'n rhywun arall.
Achos dwi'n cofio gwneud cwrs dadawgrymeg, my first ever D-Suggestopedia course, oedd Eidaleg, learning Italian, ac fy enw I oedd Francesca, and I used to work fel poeta, so I'd write poetry trwy'r dydd. A dych chi'n teimlo'n wahanol fel Francesca. Beth bynnag, dyma'r foment pan wnaeth yn celebs ni ddewis I personas newydd nhw. Here's when they all decided who they were going to be for the week.
On Suggestopedic courses, everybody takes on a new name and identity. Now, when I'm teaching in North Wales, I never actually initially learn my students' names because names can be baggage. So they all take on ridiculous Welsh names, absolutely ridiculously Welsh names, and they hide behind them. And they actually feel, when they're speaking Welsh, that this is who they are. They actually incorporate these into their personalities. And they, even outside the classroom, they use those names themselves. Obviously, because you are well known, and we've got TV cameras here, we've had a compromise. So what we decided to do is, when you step into the classroom, the minute you put your foot down into the classroom, it's just like stars in their eyes. You know, this week, I want to be who are you going to be. So choose who you're going to be and choose carefully. Because the minute you step into this classroom, this is where you go from your Clark Kent to your Superman alter ego. So choose your alter egos. Run! Now! Okay, iawn.
What, physically go? Yeah.
Physically go and pick up.
Okay. Have we got, if you're a woman, have you got to choose a woman?
You don't have to.
Right.
Same for the men. Can we be women?
You can do whatever you want.
Yeah.
It's very yeah, well, it's a liberating experience, so you can choose whatever you want.
Reit te.
I love you.
Croeso.
Croeso.
I'r dosbarth.
Diolch.
Gai ofyn I chi gamu allan. What we're going to do now is step outside a pan dych chi yn camu yn ôl I mewn i'r dosbarth. Hwyl y fawr, Lisa Rogers. Hwyl y fawr, Lucy. Hwyl fawr, Wyn. Hello, Dewi Llywelyn Rodriguez. O Drelew. Da-da-da. And your best superhero.
What's Welsh for
action,
pirates?
okay? You want to be a pirate, you want to be a Morlader. Morlader. Literally, a thief of the sea. It's good, isn't it? When I did my first training in Suggestipedia, I was Francesca, and I was a poeta who used to spend my days writing poetry and eating grapes and surrounded by handsome men. It's amazing. You can go anywhere you want to be.
Like Forest.
Yn union, yn union. Reit te, felly camwch allan, step outside os gwelwch yn dda, a da ni'n mynd I roi croeso i'n cymeriadau diddorol, interesting characters.
What's the sea again?
What's that?
Thief of the sea?
Morlader. Morlader. Croeso! Helo! Sut wyt ti? Haia, ni ydw I. Helo, pwy wyt ti?
Irfon Evans.
Irfon Evans. Croeso, Irfon. Neis dy
Diolch yn fawr,
gyfarfod
diolch yn fawr iawn.
Eistedda gnad dy hun yn gyfforddus.
Croeso Irfon.
Diolch yn fawr iawn.
Reit te, pwy sy'n nesa? Mae'n fel bod yn lle doctor, ynddi? And next! Dun, dun, dun! Dewi Llywelyn...
Dewi Llywelyn Rodriguez.
Rodriguez. O Drelew. Mwa, mwa. Sut wyt ti?
Sut wyt ti?
Iawn?
Iawn.
Da iawn.
I love a Welsh lady.
Croeso, croeso, cariad. Eistedda. Take a pew.
Take a pew.
Sut wyt ti?
Sut wyt ti? What's that then? I don't know any Welsh at all.
Nesa! Pwy sy'n nesa i'n dosbarth ni? Croeso!
Sut wyt ti? I don't know.
Dwi, Bydding Head!
Helo! Byddig Head, tir dyma!
O Caerdydd!
Tir dyma!
Diolch yn fawr.
Sut wyt ti? Ni ydw i?
Iawn, Nia.
Byddig Head o Gaerdydd. Mae Caerdydd yn hyfryd.
Diolch yn fawr.
Croeso i'r dosbarth. Eistedda.
Croeso, croeso. Shwmai.
Iawn te. Nesa, os gwelwch yna.
Prynhawn da, mae Fanwy Evans di Chones o Trefelyn ydw I.
Mae Fanwy Evans, tir dyma, sut wyt ti? Croeso, croeso, croeso.
Diolch yn fawr, yes, iawn.
Da iawn. Wel, dyna neis. O ble? O Dreffelyn ym Patagonia.
O Trefelyn yn Patagonia.
Hyfryd. Croeso,
Beautiful.
eistedda.
Diolch yn fawr.
Iawn, cariad.
Diolch.
Reita, pwy sy'n nesa?
Mae Fanwy ydw I.
Helo.
Helo.
Croeso.
Hey, that David.
Hei. Hei, hen am David. Sut wyt ti? Iawn? O le wyt ti'n dod, hen am
O,
David?
Fynydd Isa.
O, Fynydd Isa, wel.
Get you.
Croeso i'r dosbarth.
Diolch.
Iawn te, pwy sy'n nesa i'r dosbarth? Pwy sy'n nesa? Croeso, croeso! Yay! Ty dyma, sut wyt ti? O, sus, o, helo, sus! Wel, ty dyma fan hyn, reit, Gethin Arthur! O!
Gethin Arthur a dwenw I.
Ie! A ni ydw I, o ffordd manna. Croeso, Gethin Arthur, croeso, eistedda, eistedda. Da iawn.
You're brilliant.
Good entrance. Wel, mae un ar ôl. Pwy sy ar ôl?
Pwy sy'n nesa?
Gawn ni weld. Pwy sy'n nesa? Croeso!
Dau botcha hwyl.
Ie.
A nawr...
O!
Lowry Bowen. Boring old Lowry.
So mae dau botcher yn gyffroes iawn. O, mae Lowry Bowen.
Yeah, exactly. She knows.
Croeso, Lowry.
Okay, diolch.
Eistedd yma yn your boring little corner. Wel, dechrau dramatig a hwyliog i'r cwrs ynde. Reit te, egwilfer?